Lights on, door not there. Yeah, what's up everyone? Don't have a door to close today because we're painting it. I don't know if you can hear that annoying sound in the background, but my wife is sending something down on it. So, if I don't remember which video it was, but I was under the car and a couple bushings were completely shot to shit. I got new arms. SPL, these are the front tension rods. They're adjustable. You don't really need adjustable, but I have the rear arms are all SPL. Now I'm thinking about it, I probably should have spray painted these just to match the ones in the rear, but I think we're just gonna send it because we'll eventually get around to refreshing the whole front, and then I'll paint them because I do want to get like control arms and stuff. I want to do the rear lower control arms. We'll get around to all that stuff eventually. First things first, car's jacked up. Let's take the wheels off and then we'll get under. This should literally take me about 30 seconds to do this whole thing, but I don't know, we'll see. Might take my time. I actually got I almost dropped the camera. I also got a couple questions about how the caliper paint's holding up. If you didn't see that video, go check that one out. Just painted my calipers with the G2 system. It's some two-part thing. You mix it and then you paint it on with the brush. Holding up pretty good. Pretty good. I think that I may have hit it with a wheel or a tool. Other than that, pretty good. Obviously, it's never going to be as good as if you powder coat it, but pretty good. We're working it down here. 2 bolts there, 1 bolt there. Comes right off, and then swap the new one in. So like I said, it should be really easy. What I've been doing lately, if I don't know the size, I've been grabbing these. I don't know the actual name for these things, but they're this company Nipex, and they're kind of like channel locks, but kind of like an adjustable wrench, and you could like clamp it really tight. New favorite tool. All right, so arms out. I don't know if you'll be able to see how messed up this is, but it's all toe up from the flow up. But that's why we have the replacements. Just noticed this was already something I was planning on buying just eventually, but I guess it just got moved up a little bit higher on my list. My coilover's leaking. That is the oil right there. And then see if I could get you in here to see the leaky coilover. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. Oil. Shit. So 2 things. I didn't do any research about these front tension arms. I have, like I was saying earlier, I have the rear ones. I have the traction, toe, and upper control arm, and I like them, so I just went with the same brand for the front. But a couple things about them. So obviously these are adjustable. The adjustment point allows you to change your caster on the front, and then there's 2 little mounting holes here, which I didn't even realize until I opened up the little packaging with the bolts. That is for a brake cooling deflector thing that SPL also sells, so I might actually look into getting that. Didn't know about that. Pleasantly surprised. I'm just going to try and measure the stock one and then get that same measurement for this one, just so my caster's in the same spot. Then we're going to reinstall it. So that was rather painless. Got those all swapped out. Let's look at the old 24-year-old bushing. This is what we were working with. So could probably rip that apart if I really wanted to. Completely tore up. I probably should take it for a ride just to make sure everything is working fine, but I don't see why I wouldn't. It's really bright behind me. I tried to get them as close as possible. It could be off by a millimeter or so, but I like. Not gonna lie, kind of excited about that brake cooling deflector thing because last time I had, last track day, it's a while ago, brakes overheated. But since then we did another brake upgrade. We already had the Z32, but we did the GK Tech bracket. You could go check those videos out, the brake upgrade. I'll link it if I remember. Got a bigger rotor, so hopefully, and new pads too. Hopefully that kind of combats the overheating brakes, but if that doesn't, then we have that deflector there. If that doesn't, then we have these little screws here that we could get the deflector for. I might just go ahead and just buy it anyway, because why not? I don't remember if I mentioned in one of the other videos, but the body kit, I think the earliest I could expect it is like June, and then probably not even gonna get here by then. But before that, I will probably this week I might go buy a welder and start tackling some tasks that I wanted to do. Main one, fixing that rocker panel. Other one, since I gotta wait on the body kit, I might fix that other spot in front of my driver's side rear wheel. There's a rough spot there. Might try to fix that. Then we'll just go with the primer and look like every other 240. It does seem to be a little bit of a leak. There's a coolant droplets coming out every once in a while. Kind of like dead center of the radiator, so maybe, hopefully that's just like residual from when I filled it and bled it out, because I know it overfilled and spilled all over the place, but hopefully that's all that is. I don't see any other signs of leakage anywhere else so far. I didn't really drive it around and heat it up that much, but so far so good. I wish I knew how much gas I had, because I kind of want to go for like a little bit of a ride, but I don't feel like getting gas, and I really should, because it's been a while. Went on that long trip up to like Bear Mountain and back, and then I drove the car like another 2 times after that. I had my trunk cracked open. I think the trunk light was on for like 2 weeks. I'm gonna go get gas, but now I'm scared it's not gonna turn back on. Should probably let it run for a little bit, or just get gas with it running. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if you can see anything. I wanted to see if it did any bit of, if it sounded choppy because of the cams I had, but I don't think they're big enough. Alright, we're back home. Yep, that's a little bit. Like that? Yeah, I guess so. Alright, we're back home. So went on a little cruise. Car's running alright. Car's running pretty decent. Tried to get some GoPro footage for you. I definitely need to move that mount because I was able to turn it on and then I couldn't turn it back off. So I had a 20-minute clip to chop up and insert little sections of it into the video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what else. The arms seem to be working all right. There was one right-hand turn that car felt a little weird. I don't know if that maybe could be the alignment is off because I still need to get an alignment, or it could be the coilover, or it could have just been the road. So I don't know. I had to keep an eye on that coilover because it's obviously leaking. There's no doubt about that one. So I'm gonna have to start looking into coilovers. So leave your suggestions down below. There's BC Racing coils on here right now. The car came with that. They're old, blown out. They were seized. I think the lock collars, the locking ring collar things, and on the rear are seized in place. The front were seized. I was able to unseize it at one point and lower it down. I always liked Fortune Auto. I had them on my WRX, but also might take like 3 months to get those. So leave some suggestions down below. We'll see what we do. Maybe someone wants to sponsor me. So thanks for joining me on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the driving footage. I will try to get more driving footage. I still have to re-record a new intro. Someone left a comment down below about it in one of the other videos about doing a new intro. I know I'm working on it. I just never have any time to do it, or when I do have time, weather's horrible. Yeah, so we'll get around to it. I know I need a new one for an updated version of the car. And that's it. So I'll see you on the next one. I don't know what's coming up next, so just stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and all that good stuff. I will see you soon. Chop up just to had a 20-minute clip to chop up